The Canon imageCLASS MF753Cdw is a multi-function print, scan, copy, fax, color laser all-in-one designed for small to medium office environments. It offers wireless connectivity, duplex capabilities, and a solid balance of speed, features, and reliability. Print speed and quality. This model prints at up to 35 pages per minute in both black and white and color. Letter size. It supports print resolutions up to 1200 dpi for sharp output. Its first page out time is approximately 7 seconds. Duplexing and scanning. The MF753Cdw supports automatic two-sided duplex printing by default. It features a single-pass duplex automatic document feeder, ADF, that can scan both sides in one pass up to 50 sheets. The scan resolution is up to 600 dpi. Paper handling and capacity. By default, the printer has a 250 sheet input cassette plus a 50 sheet multi-purpose tray. You can expand capacity with an optional PFK1 cassette, 550 sheets, for a total of up to 850 sheets. The output tray capacity is about 150 sheets. Connectivity and mobile printing. It supports wireless, Wi-Fi 802.1bgin, and wired Ethernet and USB connections. It also offers Wi-Fi Direct for direct device printing. For mobile printing, it works with Canon Print Business, Apple AirPrint, and Mopria Print Service. Memory and processing. The device comes with 1 GB of shared memory or RAM to handle document processing and multiple tasks. Warranty and support. Canon provides a 3-year limited warranty with this model. Size, power, and other specs. The unit's dimensions are approximately 16.8 x 18 2 x 17 UX diane. It weighs about 48.5 lbs, 22 Kelvin, without consumables. The maximum power consumption is around 110W, with low standby and sleep power usage, 24W standby, 1W sleep. Overall, the Canon imageCLASS MF753Cdw is a strong all-purpose color laser multifunction printer suitable for offices needing wireless, duplex, and mobile printing capabilities. Its performance, expandability, and Canon's warranty support make it a reliable choice for moderate to heavy usage.